Hey, Rat Dog here, and welcome back. Well, about 6 o'clock this morning, or overnight, we had a pretty bad windstorm. And about 6 o'clock this morning, the power went out. So, don't have any power here. It's about noon right now. I don't have any kind of backup system yet because, fucking COVID hit, and I haven't been able to purchase that stuff. So, I'm gonna try and keep these babies alive and my tanks downstairs, my planted tank, while I wait for the power to come back on. So I'll keep you updated on the progress. All right, so in an attempt to keep this tank going, I got to redo those bottles, but I had some calcium chloride in there for some heat, and I just made myself a little makeshift CO2 or O2, I mean, a little hydrogen peroxide and some potatoes, and that'll get me at least a little bit of oxygen in there, and hopefully that'll keep them going. All right, next tank. All right, so I got my little contraption over there. Let's get some good aeration going, some decent surface exchange. Now I just got to figure out this. I mean, this tank's not going to get that cold. It's a 200 gallon tank and a 58 gallon sump, so it's going to be a while for the temperature to drop. But I got to continue working on that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. All right, had to do a little bit of changing. I put too much stuff in this. This is the first time I've ever done this. Put a little bit too much stuff in this, and I didn't want the stuff to go into the tank. So I just created a second bottle. A second bottle to, catch any of the hydrogen and potato mixture. And then I got my media on top of it. I don't know how much it's doing, especially with that lava rock. It looks like most bubbles are just going up there. But I did that. I haven't done anything to that tank except for throwing a little heater in there. I might make another one. I don't have any more peroxide. Actually, I got a very little bit. I might be able to make a small bottle. But then I still got to deal with this little fresh water that has just one green barb in it. I guess that's going to be an update on all my tanks. I have this tank, which is just extra rocks from my NEM tank. There's nothing in it but, rocks, probably some bristleworms, some starfish. This one down here is my original 20 gallon. The only thing I have in there, other than all those corals that were growing like weeds, is I have, what's the temperature on this tank? Not 72.7, not too bad. I have that yellow-tailed damsel is the only thing I got in that tank. And then this tank, I just emptied it the other day. That had a bunch of rocks in there too from my NEM tank. I ended up throwing most of those. I added some to the bow front and I threw the rest of them in here. And that pretty much has all my, that basically freed up that tank. So we'll take a quick, go Giants, we'll take a quick trip upstairs to the big tank and then do the same thing over there. I don't have any heater in this yet, it's still 75. So I just set up another tank in here and it's working pretty good. Some decent surface movement. Get rid of some of them gases. And everybody else is going, dude, what the hell's going on? But hopefully this will work out. All right, thanks for watching.